Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrappina Creations. Welcome to day one of the Save the Crafty YouTuber video hop. Today I'm going to be using Alpaca Holiday by Sunny Studio. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the hop while I'm coloring here. All of the colors are listed with the caps to the left hand side. I did go ahead and color the other three alpacas off screen because I am coloring them all the same. So there are more than 125 prizes to be won over the week. There will be 50 random prizes on random channels, so make sure to leave a comment on my video for a chance to win. And you need to leave the comment by November 7th. And let us know if you are in the US or if you are an international viewer. I will be having a giveaway on my channel as well. You can see what that is at the end of the video. And Justine will be choosing all the names on November 10th, and I will pick my winner on November 10th as well. So the link to the next person will be in the description box below. Please consider subscribing to the crafty YouTubers who are playing along with the video hop over the week. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of clean and simple cards. I do a lot of 10 card, 1 kit videos or multiple cards with 1 stamp set. I love to use Doodlebug and cute little stamps from various companies. So I felt like this stamp set represented my style well, so you could get a sense of what you will see on my channel. And for those of you who have been with me for a while, thanks for joining me today and showing your support. So not only can you support people who are up and coming in our YouTube crafty community, but you can also support your favorites by making sure that you're subscribed to their channel, hitting that notification bell so you don't miss videos, and of course liking videos that you like and leaving comments. This really helps all of us with the YouTube algorithms so that our videos get shared and we can continue to share with you our love for crafting and card making. So as you can see, I'm using a number of brown tones here in this card. I'm going to color the mountains here in a dark, almost kind of a chocolate color. I don't end up using the E23, the lightest marker, for the darkest brown. And you saw there that I also used the dark brown to accent some of the little accessories, the winter scarves and hats on these adorable little alpacas. Absolutely love this stamp set, and I wanted to create a kind of monochromatic look with this card, so I'm using only browns and pinks. I love that combination together. I did use a very light marker here on the snow, but I will use some of my Nuvo drops over top of that once I get everything placed on the card, so you could skip this step if you wanted to. So here's the images. I'm going to cut them out with my brother Scan and Cut. I made a mask for myself with a stitched oval die, and I'm going to be doing the background with picked raspberry and tea dye for the sand or the bottom of the oval. I'm just using a leftover piece of cardstock as my mask for a straight line between the sky and the ground. This is leftover from when I cut my card bases out of 110-pound heavyweight cardstock. So I just use it up where I can. And so I'm going to add some distress spraying here. So I'm using my distress sprayer, and I'm going to add some water. I let that sit for a bit, and then I dab that up with my microfiber cloth. Now I'm just going back over with what's left on my sheet there. All that is a laminated piece of cardstock. I find it really easy and affordable to use with distress oxide techniques. So you saw me stamp out the sentiment, sending warm and cozy thoughts. I did add the snowflake because I felt like the thoughts part of the sentiment was over a little bit more to the one side, so I wanted to balance it out with the snowflake. I adhered the mountains straight down with some liquid glue, and then I popped up the little alpacas on some 3M foam tape. Everything that I used today will be listed in the description box in case you want to see exactly what some things are that I may not have mentioned. So I'm just getting these little cuties in place. I wanted to move this middle alpaca over so it was standing just beside the ampersand sign in the sentiment. And now I'm going to add 2 more snowflakes to balance out the snowflake that I used in the sentiment. I'm going to stamp the sentiment this winter on the inside, and then I'm going to place my extra little alpaca on the inside so that the card is finished on the inside for the recipient. I'm going to add some black gel pen to the eyes just to have them pop out a little bit. And once that dries, I will add some white gel pen over top. So here's where I'm going to use my Nuvo drops. This is White Blizzard. So I'm going to put this over the tops of the mountains here so it looks like snow caps. And then I'm going to add some stickles in cotton candy on some of the scarves and hats and the little blanket on this little alpaca here. My gosh, these things are way too cute. I'm really happy with the way this card turned out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having fun on the Save the Crafty YouTuber hop. Again, all the information will be listed below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in my channel. I can't wait to have you part of my followers. Here's the prize I'm giving away courtesy of Not Too Shabby Shop. Jamie has provided this adorable little stamp set called Sweet Surprise. So I will choose the winner at random on November 10th. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye.